Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Audi Q5. This one's blue. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we got our Q5 quattro all-wheel drive emblem. A set of all-season floor mats, roof rack, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, we've got a keyless entry, an LED logo for the Audi when you open the door. Nice wood trim. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in. This car still smells brand new, very low mileage. We've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, heated seats, dual climate controls, different driving modes, USB port, our keys for our media display, automatic transmission. This Audi has 492 miles, very low mileage, still new. If you'd like to view more photos of this Q5, check out feldmannimports.com.